Hey, got your back. I'm Dr. Justin Klein, and I want to introduce you to the MoveMentality system. The MoveMentality is basically a connection between your mind and body and your mind. We want to use one word so that you understand that there is a mentality of movement that you need to have every day of your life. We use the original strength restorative movement system as the foundation for our MoveMentality because pressing reset on your nervous system every day is something that we should all understand. Diaphragmatic breathing, moving our eyes every day, meaning also moving our heads, and crossing midline of our bodies is what ties the body together. And we want to use this MoveMentality understanding to give you something that you can do every single day that can benefit your mind and body. So please pay attention very closely to these videos. There's going to be a lot of details. There's going to be a lot of questions that you might have along the way. Hopefully all of those questions will be answered. But if you'd like, drop us a line, give us a call, send us a DM on social media somewhere, and we're looking forward to hearing from you. Tap into that nervous system every single day and move with a healthy MoveMentality. Have a beautiful day, and we'll talk to you soon.